Kids can't hear this sound. Yup, you heard it right. In this video, I have a special sound just for adults. This sound has a high frequency, and I'm 99% sure that kids can't hear it. But if you're a kid, you must have an amazing hearing power to hear this special sound. So, let's see you can hear it or not. Are you ready? Only 2% of kids can like the video and subscribe my channel before we start in 3, 2, 1. Make sure that the volume of your phone is 100%. Did you hear it? Let me play it again with 200% volume. Could you hear it now? Tell me in the comments.